Medical laboratory technician, or commonly referred to as a health analyst. Yes, a health analyst is a worker on duty in the laboratory. He checks specimens to prove the diagnosis through various tests in the laboratory. Usually, the examination carried out by a health analyst includes examination of blood and other body fluids such as feces, urine, phlegm, and others. The result of the examination carried out by health analysts are in the form of data that is used to confirm the diagnosis and then the appropriate treatment is given. Responsibilities of the health analyst: 1. Provide data for patient as assessment material for diagnosis and treatment therapy. 2. Performing blood tests, examination of other body fluids such as urine, feces, phlegm, and other, and examination of physiological function. 3. Make a report on the result of the examination of the patient. 4. Responsible for the use of all laboratory equipment. And then 5. Coordinate with doctor regarding the presentation of results and processing of the patient data. There are also duties of an expert medical laboratory technician or health analyst, namely: 1. Analyzes body fluids such as blood, urine, and tissue sample to determine normal or abnormal findings. 2. Collects and study blood sample for use in transfusion by identification cell count, cell morphology, blood type, and compatibility with other blood types. 3. Operates state-of-the-art laboratory equipment such as microscope and cell counters. Sample examination: the clinical chemistry department prepares specimens and analyzes the chemical and hormonal content of body fluids. Cytotechnologists prepares slate of body cell and examines the cell with a microscope for abnormalities that may signal the beginning of cancer growth. Immunology technology examines the elements of the human immune system and its response to foreign bodies. Microbiology examines and identifies bacteria and other microorganisms. Phlebotomist collects or takes a patient's blood samples. The main challenge for medical laboratory technology, or MLT, experience is to establish a correct and precise diagnosis. It can be from the selection of tools, methods, and sample correctly. Laboratory results must be valid because of their impact on diagnosis as well. A health analyst must have accuracy in their work because the result of their examination become the basis for future diagnosis and doctor action. There is also a challenge for MLT that is more at risk of contesting the diagnosis of the specimen examined. We as MLT work with various types of diagnosis, so we have to be more careful so we don't get infected with diagnosis that spreads quickly. As already know, the purpose of using personal protective equipment is to protect yourself from possible dangers. These are some of the behavior of analysts or laboratory assistants working in the laboratory. 1. Likes to joke around while doing work. You may often meet or see some analysts or laborants often grouped together, telling stories or cheating on things that have nothing to do with work, to pass the time while waiting for the reaction process, or even actually working on the analysis process but are invited to chat. 2. Still neglecting to use safety or work safety equipment. Not a few analysts or laboratory assistants who are not fully aware of work safety. Even though they know, maybe you still often see analysts or laboratory assistants when they are in the laboratory and are holding hazardous chemicals casually without using protective equipment such as laboratory coats, apron, gloves such as rubber gloves to protect against splash of corrosive chemicals, as asbestos or cotton gloves to protect against heat masks, to protect against inhalation of harmful gases, safety goggles to protect ears from chemical splashes, face protector to protect the face from chemical splashes, and another, all of which they argue are too complicated, so they feel disturbed when using this personal protective equipment. 3. Lack of attention to cleanliness. Cleanliness is a very vital thing in the laboratory. What? Because of what? Not a few analysts and laboratory assistants who are less concerned about cleanliness. For example, after weighing chemicals, there are scattered materials that are not immediately cleaned, even though the possibility of the material is corrosive so that it can damage the scales. Also, the cleanliness of the tool after use is not washed clean so that the chemical what remains will contaminate another material when the tool is used for another, so that the result of the analysis will be incorrect. 4. Not being careful when handling or using laboratory equipment made of glass. We often encounter the tip of the burette of a cheapened pipette, or often hear the sound of the matchhead because the glass where is broken. This is often exempted by analysis of or laborants when working on the analysis process or when washing and the equipment. Solution of problem in the laboratory. 1. Provide training on how to use the tools. 2. Provide training on work safety in the laboratory. 3. Provide SOP or work standard in the laboratory. 4. Supervision is carried out every time the analysis process is carried out, especially the use of tools.